Hi everyone, welcome at the unboxing of the Floral Fun Box. I am so excited about this box. This box is releasing on June 1 and it will contain a lot of beautiful products. It contains 3 paper sticker sheets, 3 clear sticker sheets, 2 double-sided paper sheets, 2 acetate sheets, they are really awesome, 2 skinny washi tapes, 1 normal size washi tapes, 1 pouch, 1 sticky note, 2 stencils and 1 pen. Let's start. Let me show you all the products in this box. Let's start with the washi tape. It contains 1 normal size washi and 2 skinny washi tapes. I think they're really pretty and really matching together. This is how they look like. Pretty. Then this beautiful pen. I really love the colors and of course all the gems. It's a black ink pen. And it's also, of course, has Planything here. I think this pen is going to be a favorite of many people. Then the cute little sticky notes. This is definitely one of your favorite sizes, so this one should really be in the box. Then 6 sticker sheets. 3 clear sticker sheets with beautiful florals. And 3 paper sheets with boxes and hexagons and circles. Aren't they pretty? Then the planner accessory of this box are the stencils. This is the first time it's in a subscription box. I already had them also in the advent box, then with Christmas illustrations. You can use these stencils with your pen, but you also can stamp on it, so I think it would be really pretty. I love them. Aren't they cute? Then the masterpiece of this box, the pouch. Is the floral pattern not beautiful? And it's really big. There can fit so much in here. Like, yes, it's really, really big. Then the final products, 2 double-sided paper sheets. These sheets are the size of the page in the Happy Planner Classic, so you can use them as dashboards or laminate them and use them as cover. Aren't they pretty? And I really got a lot of requests to bring those acetate sheets back. So you have some really pretty acetate transparent sheets. Aren't they beautiful? So this is everything in the Floral Fun box. This is the June box, the June subscription box. This box is also available as one-time subscription, one-time purchase, I mean. But I have less quantity of this box, so I would not wait too long with if you think of buying it. Let's see. So this is everything in here. I really hope that you love everything, and yes, I want to thank you for watching this video.